How to use live data, AFR functions to analysis engine on Motoscan Tab. Part 1. How to view live data of engine on Motoscan Tab. Welcomes to DTD Auto and Motoscan Tab. For example, this is a FI motorcycle after a period of use that has a weak engine, slow acceleration, but the check engine lamp does not light up. In this case there are two ways for you. You can use advanced functions in Motoscan Tab, that engine automatically analyze AI technology, to find fault position. Or, you can use the live data function, to analyze the cause yourself based on the current engine data. However, you need a tool to display parameters that are accurate, convenient, general, intuitive, detailed, clear, diverse, continuously and intuitively trackable. To do this, with the above advantages, Motoscan Tab can now do it for you. Now, let's connect Motoscan Tab to the vehicle, to monitor parameters live data. Select gasoline engine. Select Honda. Select Find Vehicle automatically. Select Live Data. Motoscan Tab supports viewing live data, with many different display modes. This interface you are viewing is the live data in text list mode. You can view it in another mode, seeing all the parameters on one screen. Do not need to slide screen. You will see all parameters displayed in analog mode, which is very intuitive and beautiful. I can change a few input signals for you to observe. For example, this is the throttle position opening angle. This is gauge of the engine speed. This is the ignition advance angle. This is the injection time. In case you don't know what that abbreviation is, and want to know what this parameter is, you can press and hold your hand for about 3 seconds, at that indicator for information. This is state of the start switch. Or this is state of the side stand switch. We can do the same in other directives. You can synthesize the above parameters, combined with other information, such as air and fuel ratio, ECM optimization %, to analyze the engine. Part 2. How to check air per fuel ratio, by Motoscan Tab. On the live data interface, you can see that this is the air mixture fuel ratio, and the ECM's optimum level. This display will appear automatically, when the engine temperature reaches above 60 C. Or you can check the air mixture fuel ratio, in an independent function as follows here. So, you have seen the great display features of Motoscan Tab, that are only available in Motoscan Tab. We will send you the next video clips, about other great functions on Motoscan Tab. Please like, and share for many of your colleagues to know. Thank you, goodbye and see you soon again.